but my brain.
Holes in my face. Oh well. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me on today's segment of iWatch. We are here to discuss the X-linked genetic disorder, color vision deficiency, otherwise known as colorblindness. Okay, the girl behind me, named Francesca Lederhosen, has a rare type of color blindness known as monochromacy. Most people that are colorblind are dichromats, meaning there is one cone that is missing or not working out of the three basic cones in the eye. Dichromacy and other color blindness is an X-linked genetic disorder more commonly found in males. 6 to 8% of males are born dichromats. It is more common in males than females because males only need one copy of the recessive trait from their mother to inherit this trait. This is because females need to inherit 2 copies of the recessive gene because they are XX, while males only need 1 because they are XY, having only 1 X.
This is a pedigree of a family whose father is not affected by color blindness and a mother is a carrier of this recessive trait. As you can see, one of the children inherited the mother's X chromosome that was affected by color blindness, and because he was male, this is the trait he inherited. The other children do not display this trait, but one is a carrier. Woo!
Well now, Francesca, later. Good morning.
Good morning, Doctor.
We are doing a segment on colorblindness. Now I have heard that you are monochromatic, is that right?
I guess so. I mean, color blindness is very hard to describe. If you ask me what color things are, I couldn't tell you.
Hello, thank you for joining me, Professor on this segment of iWatch, where we will be exploring colorblindness, but colorblindness dichromacy. So, when you were in kindergarten, when they showed you a red apple and a green apple, what did you say?
I said that they were both the same.
Oh, I see. So,
yeah, so when you were little... Are you making fun of my accent?
Of course not, Doctor. Of course not.
Okay. Well, when you were little, did adults ever point to things and tell you their colors and how would you react?
Well, of course they did. They told me that there are different colors, and if you held two things up to another, I would see the shades, but I really wouldn't see the colors. If you told me something was orange, I wouldn't be able to see it. It'd just be dark or light, or wouldn't really know. How do you drive? Correct.
Correct.
And when you go to a stoplight, what do you see?
I see a stoplight.
What colors are on the stoplight?
Well, they're very, very, very close together, but they are red, green, and yellow.
So you do see different degrees of these colors?
Yes. In the image shown, there are 2 pictures of a stoplight. On the left, this would be how a trichromat, or a person unaffected by color blindness, sees. On the right, this shows how a dichromatic person with red-green colorblindness would see a stoplight. As you can tell, a person with red-green colorblindness would have trouble distinguishing the colors on a traffic light.
Well, what kind of test did you undergo to discover that you had color blindness?
I took the Ishihara plate test to find out that I was in fact colorblind.
Dichromats have a red-green color deficiency, which means that red and green look the same to them. Optometrists frequently use the Ishihara plate test, shown above, to distinguish their colorblindness. The Ishihara plate test has two different colors filled in with lots of little dots. The color surrounding the number is red and the numbers are green. They wouldn't be able to see the green number because the colors look so similar.
It's like, like necessary things like traffic lights and maps and things like that. It's you need colors, like,
And have neutral colorblindness, so I'm told. So I would, I just see the different shades of color, and of course, the traffic lights light up, and so, it is a bit difficult sometimes.
Do you remember the shade, or do you memorize the order of the traffic lights, or?
I think a little bit of both. I look at the shade, and then I look at the order, and red will always be first, and then I like to say that colorblindness, it's possible to live with it. It's not life-threatening or anything, but it is it's a little sad when you think that you won't be able to see a really red apple or a green tree. But thank you for joining us. It's been a real pleasure, and
you were supposed to smile and say goodbye.
Yes, goodbye. Thanks for watching.